y'all, it's Zoe. Welcome back to another video on my channel. So for this vlog, I'm actually gonna be vlogging Chinese New Year because I've done it for the last couple years. So I go to Chinese class on Fridays, which I think came about during like my Vlogmas videos. And so they're having a Chinese New Year event tonight, and they're doing like games and food and performances, and including me, I have to perform, and I am in the 6th and 7th grade level class because the adult class just was like not really a good fit for me. So I have to perform with them, and it's really funny. At least to me it's funny because I'm like double their height and double their age. Anyways, so that's what we're doing tonight, and then I might have another one tomorrow night with some friends, like a Chinese New Year dinner. Those are my plans for Chinese New Year. So I can't show up on time to the event because they start in the afternoon, like they start the games, but I will be babysitting, and so I wanted to get my babysitting kiddos something. Also, I hate the word kiddos, and I hate the fact that I just said that word. Anyways, I was at Target the other day, mostly because my mom sent me like Lunar New Year collection, and they honestly didn't have much, but I did see like this little lantern craft, so I'm gonna get this for them. It says 6+, and they're 3 years old, but I think they will enjoy it because they really love stickers, and I can definitely help them like create it and then like have them decorate it, so I think that'll be fun. And then I got them this like fake paper money because I was gonna bring them red envelopes with like the chocolate coins, but I also wanted to get them like actual money so that they can like play with and then put them in here, and so they kind of get the concept of like how red envelopes work, and then they can also just have this to play with all of their toys. They can like pretend to buy stuff from each other and whatever, and I know for a fact they're gonna lose these coins, but I'm gonna put them in like a little Ziploc bag and we'll see what happens to them. And then I just got the chocolate coins off of Amazon because I tried getting them at World Market and I literally could not find them anywhere, so I just ordered them on Amazon. But anyways, I'm gonna put together the little red envelopes for today because I don't have babysitting tomorrow, which I usually have like over the weekend. And then I'll try and record as much as I can from the event tonight and then all the other events, and yeah, so probably won't talk much else, but hopefully you enjoy the little montage that's about to come. So I'll see you all at the dinner. Hey y'all, it's Zoe and welcome back to another video on my channel. So this weekend I am going to Ohio to celebrate Tamor's birthday. He's been in a few videos and I was tasked with bringing cupcakes. I asked if he wanted cake or cupcakes and he said cupcakes, and then I was like, what if I bake them myself? And so I was talking to him, I was like, you know, what's your favorite flavor of cupcake? Like, what's your favorite color? And then he kind of started figuring out that I was thinking about making them, and then he asked me if I could put the Pakistani flag on one of the cupcakes. So we are going to attempt to bake cupcakes and do this for the first time. I have baked muffins, I've baked brownies and cookies, but I have not baked cupcakes yet. Also, both my camera, my microphone, and my phone are on low battery or dead, and so I'm using my other tablet because my computer is a little too big to film. So it looks pretty good quality so far, so I hope that it turns out well. So let me show you everything that I got. Also, I did put Hazel away. Okay, so I got the Funfetti mix because I asked him and he was literally like, surprise me, I'll do anything. And I was like, okay. And then I had to get the cupcake liners. Of course, it's just like basic white ones. And then I ended up getting green and white because those are the colors on the flag, and he said he likes green. And I didn't want to get too much, but I didn't want to get too little icing. I don't have to go back to the store. So I figured getting 2 was the way to go. And I also got some sprinkles to put on the non-flag cupcakes. I did almost get sprinkles that had like a stars in them, but it's like the stars kind of small, so I didn't want to have to like do that. So I'm gonna attempt to draw it with this white icing. And then I did end up caving and buying these because I thought it would be easiest to use like these little tips to draw like the star and the moon. And also like I wanted to get one of these anyways for like the toppings. Like I know you can buy like the frosting jug or whatever, but I kind of wanted to make it look like swirly, so that's what I needed these piping tips for. And since they are like, they're made to go together, so it looked up. So I'm going to make this. I'll do a time lapse. I'm going to use the new bowls that my mom got me for Christmas, if you watched that. And so I'm really excited. And then I have my little muffin. Oh, it's kind of hiding back there, but my little muffin tray that I used when I was making my muffins during Vlogmas. So yeah, that is our plan. Gathered all the ingredients, and I literally had just enough eggs for this recipe, and I'm so glad. I would have used my roommate's eggs otherwise and like replaced them, but I thought I had more eggs than this, but it is very possible that someone ate all my eggs. So, and it wasn't me, it was a visitor that I have that likes to eat eggs. So let's get cooking, or baking I should say. Alright, I just finished the batter. It's looking pretty good. Also, if you're wondering, yes, I used from a box because I did not want to make this from scratch. I probably could because I've made cookies from scratch, but it's late and it's a school night, and so I wanted the quickest way possible. So my oven is still preheating. I think it's almost done, so I'm going to plate, is plate the right word? I'm going to put them in the little muffin thingy. Yeah, I don't know if there's a word for that. If there's a word for that, let me know. Alright, we are done. This is what they look like. And I did lose some to the counter. I also kind of cleaned up in between so it doesn't like bake weirdly. So I think the oven is done, so I'm going to put this in, and it looks like it's going to take, oh, this is 24 cupcakes, but I have 12, and it says 19 to 23. So we're going to set a timer for like 12 minutes and then check on it because that's about half the time. So yeah, that's our plan. I just took them out of the oven. 12 minutes was perfect. I did a little fork test and all of the batter cooked on the inside. They smell so good and they look really good too, so I'm excited to do the icing. So I'm going to give them a couple minutes to cool down, and then I'm going to do the icing. I'm going to attempt to do the flag. I'm not really sure. I was originally thinking like, what if I put like a little swirl and then I draw the flag? I'm not really sure how that's gonna work. I might just honestly make like a circle. It's like a circular flag almost, so it like covers the like top of the cupcake. I think that's my plan. I'm gonna make 2. I'm gonna try to make 2 just because he's a birthday boy, so you can have 2. And then I have to remember to bring them. I don't think I'll forget. It's a pretty big thing. And then I also have to make sure I bring the candles because I do have candles from my birthday. And so yeah, I will put on another time lapse when I'm decorating them and I'll show you the final results. So I'm excited. All right, so I've waited about 5 minutes. This is what they look like. I'm so excited to decorate them. So I'm gonna try to do like the 2 in the middle as the flag. It looks like these 2 on the end kind of almost got married, and they kind of joined. They're big, so hopefully everyone likes them. So let's get to icing. Okay, y'all, so the cupcakes are done. Here's what they look like, and I'll also put a little picture. I made a huge mess with the sprinkles. You can kind of see it on the table. So I'm going to clean all of them up and then maybe leave some for Hazel to clean up. I bought just enough icing. I might have bought, honestly, a little too little, but I made it all work. I'm actually really proud of the flag. I think I did a really good job. The sprinkles didn't really stay as much as I wanted them to, so I'm gonna bring them tomorrow and we're gonna see what happens. But yeah, I'm really proud of my accomplishment. So I'm gonna put the lid that comes with it so that Hazel doesn't get into the cupcakes, and then clean up this mess. It's Thursday and we're meeting on Saturday for his birthday, so they'll be sitting around for about a day. But yeah, I'm excited. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any baking tips or if there's anything else you want to see me bake. I did like a cooking video as well. But yeah, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching and I'll see you all next week.